Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming cables and power so the system can detect both screens. This avoids wasted steps. Next, open Display Settings on Windows or Displays in System Settings on a Mac. Once there, click Detect or Identify so you see numbered monitors. That number tells you which screen the system recognizes. Now that you have numbers, reposition Windows to confirm which physical monitor corresponds to each number before changing primary display settings. Select the tile for the monitor you want as primary, because the system uses that selection to assign the taskbar and menu bar. On Windows, check Make this my main display. On macOS, drag the white menu bar to the chosen monitor. Also rearrange the tiles so cursor movement matches physical positions, then click Apply to commit. This step changes where new Windows and System UI appear. That's how you control user focus and workflow efficiency across multiple displays. Finish by testing. Open applications and move them. The taskbar and menu should appear on the chosen display. If nothing changed, make sure to apply settings, then restart Explorer or reboot. Also update GPU drivers because driver issues often prevent primary assignment. If a monitor is not detected, swap cables and ports or test the monitor on another machine to isolate hardware faults. That single troubleshooting tip, update drivers and swap cables, fixes most stubborn primary display problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.